Hey guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to Titles Pro pack for DaVinci Resolve made by Easy Edit. If you don't know about Easy Edit, they are edit level authors on Video Hive. They create amazing templates for Premiere, Final Cut Pro, After Effects and now DaVinci Resolve. Going back to the titles pack, this title pack comes with more than 300 plus titles. It comes in 9 different categories which include one-liners, two-liners, three-liners, four-liners, big text, lower thirds, quotes, sales and callouts. Now there is a giveaway as well. If you want to know how you can get this pack for free, then stick around and I'll show you how. Now once you download the template, this is what you'll have. You'll get this folder, double click on that and you should have all these files and folders. The first thing you want to do is go to the fonts folder, double click on that, go to used fonts and you have to install these 3 fonts, Roboto, Poppins and Bbass New. Once you have them installed, then you can go back and you can just follow this tutorial. So double click on this folder and you can watch this very first video and it'll show you how you can install these titles inside of DaVinci Resolve. And there is also another tutorial over here which will take you to a YouTube page where you can learn how you can track these titles inside DaVinci Resolve. You can watch this video as well and you should be pretty much good to go. So once you have your titles installed, open up DaVinci Resolve and in the effects tab over here, just click on that, make sure it's enabled, and in the titles category over here we should have Easy Edit Titles Pro and you can click on that and you can also click to expand all these categories and we have all these categories over here. Let's take a look at them one by one. So let's go to the very first category, which is one line, and if you scroll down you should see that we have around 26 text animations inside this category, which is pretty damn amazing. So let's take a look at any of the title animations over here. So I'm going to take a look at this line number 8. So let's just drag that in and we have the in animation and the out animation. So that's pretty cool. You can extend the length of the title as well and it should still work fine. And you can change the text as well. So you can type in anything that you want. And as you can see that the line extends and automatically matches the length of the text, which is pretty cool. You can change the font to anything that you want. You can change the font weight as well. You can change the color. You can also go ahead and change the size. And as you can see that when we increase the size, then the line position also changes. But thankfully we have the line offset over here, so we can control the line regardless if we change the size or not. So you can increase or decrease the tracking. You can change the line color as well. So yeah, we have a lot of customizations such as line thickness, and you can change the position of this entire animation and the scale as well. So again, we have this cool animation, right? So we can get rid of this and let's take a look at the second category over here. So we can just drag in any of the animations over here. So let's just drag this one in and we have these 2 text boxes, so one for the top text and the second one for the bottom text over here, and each of these text boxes have their own settings. You can change their size, tracking, text position and the font. And at the end you should see the box soft edge. So if you increase that, we have the blur on the box. If you want to apply a blur or not, you can change the box width. If you want to make it more thick, you can do that. You can change the box radius as well, and of course the box color, you can change that too. And we have the main position and the main size. So that is pretty neat. So we can get rid of this and let's take a look at another title over here. We have the best of us. You can type in the last of us, right? And we have a cool looking title. We have the in animation and let's just take a look at this cool animation. It starts slanted, the text starts slanted and then it comes back to its original form, which is pretty cool. And as I said, Easy Edit is one of the best at animating these titles, so you just feel free to use these in your own projects. So you can again extend the length. It should match up with the new length, and you can of course customize the title and change the color and all that stuff. Yeah, so you can change the position, can change the position individually as well, so that is pretty neat. So you can get rid of this, and let's take a look at another category over here. Let's take a look at this one, and you can see that the typography on this one is pretty amazing. Just take a look at this. You see that everything is designed to perfection, and you can change anything that you want over here, the color, the size, and we have the box offset as well, which is pretty cool. And you can change the box color, the box roundness, we have it right over here. We have all these different settings. You can change the text position as well. You can put it on the right side over here, maybe, you know, design it differently. So I think yeah, the possibilities are endless with this. You can just change it to your own liking, and yeah, you can just control any setting over here inside the edit page. You don't have to go to the Fusion to do that. So let's just remove this, go to big text over here, and as the name suggests, it's bold and big titles. That should cover the entire video of yours. So let's take a look at this one. I think this is pretty neat, and we have this cool looking animation, right? So as you can see, it covers your whole window over here, but you can of course scroll down and you should see the main size over here, which you can control the size of your text. All right, so rest of the settings should be fine. You can change the text and all that stuff. We have line spacing as well, which you can control over here as well. Let's just get rid of this. We have lower thirds, and there are 25 lower thirds in total, which is pretty cool. Let's use the last one over here, and we have this nice looking animation. Again, you can change the color of the line, you can change the position of the text and all that stuff. I'm just going to delete this, and you can use any of these titles. That's pretty damn cool, right? Let's take a look at another category, which is quotes. So you can just drag in any of these, and you have this nice looking animation. You can change the color, the font size, tracking amount, position, and all that stuff. And we have the dot position in this one. You can place it anywhere that you want. So yeah, we can just go ahead and just go crazy with this and customize it to your own liking. Let's go to sales category over here, and we have some cool animations on this one, and some of these animations don't work. I don't know why. I mean, if you drag and drop it, you won't see it, and I don't know why that happens, but I'm sure that they will release an update that will fix all the issues and bugs, so you just don't have to worry about that. But let's just use the ones that are working fine. So let's just use this one, and as you can see, you have this nice bouncing box animation. You can change all that stuff again, border radius if you want to do that, color, and all that stuff. Lastly, we have callouts, so you can use any callout that you want, and they are animated pretty neatly. And we have the target animation as well. You take a look at this circle over here, they are animated as well, so which is pretty cool. You can watch the video as I have mentioned earlier. You can just watch their this tutorial link over here, and it will show you how you can use these call out titles. So again, we have these basic settings such as color, size, text position, and all that stuff, which you can control pretty easily inside the inspector, inside the edit page, inside DaVinci Resolve. I think this is the only title pack you will ever need for your projects. If there will be an update in the future, then you'll get that update for free, right? So now for the giveaway, all you have to do is visit their website. The link will be in the description. Pick up a template you want, comment down below which one you like. Make sure you're subscribed, because only subscribers will win this giveaway. Just wait for 2 weeks, and then the winner will be announced on my Instagram, or you can also follow Easy Edit's Instagram page. Again, the link will be in the description and on this video page as well. If you have participated, then make sure you bookmark this page right now. I don't want to miss this opportunity, right? So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.